Are you nervous about your upcoming Viva? Do the thoughts of standing before a panel of experts, answering their questions and defending your project or thesis fill you with dread? Well, fear not, because today we're going to break down the process of giving a Viva in a step-by-step manner. A Viva, short for Viva Voce, is an oral examination where you present your research and answer questions about it. It's your opportunity to demonstrate your understanding of your work, its relevance, and its potential impact. Step 1. Preparation. Begin by thoroughly revisiting your work. Understand its strengths and weaknesses. Anticipate the questions that might come up and prepare your responses. Practice presenting your work in a concise and clear manner. Step 2. Understand your audience. The panel usually consists of experts in your field. They're not there to intimidate you, but to understand your work. Remember, you are the expert in your specific research area. Step 3. Presentation. On the day of the Viva, dress professionally and arrive early. Start with a brief introduction of your work and its significance. Be clear, concise, and confident in your delivery. Step 4. Q&A. This is the core part of the Viva. Listen to the questions carefully. Take a moment to think and then answer. If you don't know the answer, it's okay to admit it. Be honest and open to feedback. Scene script. Step 5. Conclusion. End your Viva by summarizing your work and thanking the panel for their time. Remember, a Viva is not just a test of your research, but also your ability to communicate effectively, defend your ideas, and demonstrate your passion for your work. So to summarize, 1. Preparation is key. Know your work inside out, anticipate possible questions, and practice your presentation. 1. Understand your audience. They are experts, but so are you in your specific research area. 1. Present your work clearly and confidently. 1. Listen carefully during the Q&A, think before you respond, and be open to feedback. 1. Conclude your Viva by summarizing your work and thanking the panel. Don't let the nerves get the best of you. You've done the work, you know your stuff, and you're ready to ace that Viva. Good luck.